Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix boot drip error on Windows. So for doing this you just need first of all to go to the Windows button, just click on Start and choose here Settings. So after you choose Settings, just wait some time after it will load. And now just choose Update and Security. And here you will see Recovery on the left list. Here you can see Windows Update, Delivery Optimization, Windows Security, Backup, Troubleshoot, Recover, and you click on Recovery. And here you will see on the second Advanced Startup. Startup from a device on disk such as USB drive or DVD, change Windows startup settings or restore Windows from a system image. This will restart your PC. So just click on button Restart Now. And now your PC will automatically restart and it will open a restoration menu, and you can recover your Grub installer, your boot Grub menu from this recovery menu that you will see. So just wait some time after it will open. So here you choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and here you will see Startup Repair, fix problems that keep Windows from loading. So you just choose this. And wait some time, it will automatically helps you to recover your boot Grub loader, and it helps you to start up your Windows. So from this menu you will, so here you choose your user. Here you need to enter your password. So you just need to view if language is correct. After you check this, just write your password. So now it starts to checking your computer, fixing all problems with bootloader, and just fixing it. So just wait some time after it will open. So after all, you just click on Shutdown and it will restart your computer. If it doesn't help you, just try to recover your system from this menu that you see. How from settings you choose restart PC, and from this from this installation restoration options. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.